Well, hello and welcome to what is going to be a very short video. Last night when I was coming home from rehearsal and playing Constable Jones in an Agatha Christie play called The Spire. Spider's web? Well, something to do with a spider. I was coming home, coming down Jubilee Road in Eston, and in Eston Square there's a memorial, a war memorial. And at the moment there is some renovation going on in the old shopping precinct. Before it used to be quite high, and it's all been knocked down and it's been made more modern. What I noticed last night was the backdrop of the war memorial of the statue of the soldier. He was stood against a sunset. I'd never seen it before. I had my camera with me. I parked up and went to take a photograph, but it didn't have a battery in. Would you believe it? So I've made a point this evening of going back there. It's literally probably less than a quarter of a mile. So I'm going to go there now and see what I can get. We've got a glorious sunset tonight again, and see what I can do with it in this sunset. See you there in Eston Square. So this is Jubilee Road, the road I was telling you I came down. And as we come down here, I don't know if you can see the memorial over there. We'll cross the road. It's Eston Square, you may be able to see the work going on. And there's the memorial. And I've never seen him like that before because there's always been buildings behind him. And I thought, I'm going to take some photographs of that. Let me show you Eston Square. Don't know what's happened with this gimbal. Used to be ever such a nice place. It's all Turkish barbers and nail things and stuff like that. Anyway, I've got me 28 to 70 lens, 20 to 200 lens on so I can get close up. I'm going to stop recording now and I'm just going to see what I can do with that. Well, I'm back home now. It seems I may have been a bit 10 minutes too late because I've missed the best of the sun shining on him. Just have a quick look on the back of the camera and see what they're like. I told you it's a very short video, but I'm going to go and process them now. It's purely the statue of the soldier that's used at Remembrance Day every November. Never seen it with this view before. I've got some sunshine on him. I'm going to process a few, and if they're any good, you will see them just now. Thank you for watching. I know it's a very short video, but if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you check out my Facebook, Andy Howard Photography, you will find a lot more photos on there, all sorts of different genres. MMA fighting, Formula 1 cars on my garage roof, dancing, everything really. Witches, oh yes, witches. I was back there earlier in there photographing witches. Anyway, I digress. So I'm going to process these now, and hopefully they'll turn out okay and you'll see them. Thank you for watching. Bye now.